All right, so in this box, we have the charger cables, which are USB, and they have 2 plugs per cord, so you can charge 2 radios at the same time. Then there are 4 sets of rechargeable batteries. Looks like 3 per radio. And we have the radios in 4 different colors. There is purple and blue and green and yellow. Then there is also the lanyards, which go on each one. There is a, let's see, I know that there's a spot to put them on here. Oh, right here on the back clip, there's a place where you can put the lanyard through and put it up. And then there's one for each of the radios, and then there are the USB wall adapters included as well, where you plug in the charge cord, which would then plug into the bottom here to charge the radio. On the bottom here, you also have a port for a headset, if that's what you would like to use. All right, so this is going to also show the battery installation here. So this is with the lanyard attached right here. You can push the silver button and it will detach. So you have the lanyard part, and then the radio is separate, and then you can just put it right back together like that. But to put the batteries in, you slide the clip off, open up the battery compartment like that, right here on the table, and then I'm just going to open up the batteries here. The walkie-talkies come with the rechargeable batteries, so you just have to install them. And it makes it really nice to have the rechargeable batteries, because then you don't have to keep buying batteries for it, but you just put them in, following the diagram right here in the inside of the back of the radio. Turn it on like that. Then you put the battery back, and that powered right up. All right, so there you go. And you have different menus here. So you've got the channel, that is the volume level. And you've got the menu here. This is your push to talk button. And then there is a flashlight on the top. Let's see if we can get that to push and hold. Let's see here. Oh, that is scanning. You can turn on and off the sound, but we will. All right, so we're going to push and hold this, and that turns off the battery, or turns off the radio. But we will turn this back on here, and I suspect. Okay, that's powered on. And let's go ahead and push and hold. There we go. There's the flashlight there, nice and bright for outside. When it's dark, push and hold it again to turn it off. And then you can scan the different channels and whatnot, but you can turn it off. We'll just go ahead and turn that right off, and we're good to go from there. All right. Something that's also in the box here is the user guide. It goes through everything from a parts diagram to a channel diagram to everything that talks about how to actually use, including troubleshooting and other modes within the radio. So any question that you have about using the radio or anything else will be answered within this manual. Not super long, but it goes through everything that you would need to know on how to operate your radio. So that is also in the box with all of the other equipment that you see here on the desk.